how to promote up to five videos on TikTok for the same cost. Come over, let me show you. All right, there are many ways to do this, but let me follow a route that will not be so confusing, okay? So go to the three lines up there, the menu button, click on it, and then go to TikTok Studio. And once you are here, locate the promote button, okay? Which is this, click on it. All right, now we can choose our goal. Normally, I will not want to go for followers for the reasons I explained in my training, but let me choose followers for this. Now, when you look down here, you see select creatives, okay? It has already ticked one, but let me select another one. Can you see two creatives, okay? I can go ahead to select another one, three creatives. So we can also go ahead, can you see? So 5 is the maximum that we can select, okay? So for this, I want to just go for 2, right? Just these 2, okay? Now we can scroll down, okay? See the option they are giving, but you can decide not to use their option, okay? And go to customize and select your own option. Then what next to do? It has already shown me my ad balance, okay? But there's one more setting I want to do before I get this ad running. Let me go to customize. And I'll go to custom. I don't want people below 18 years of age to see this ad. Then save. And then I'll move ahead. One day, I think everything is in order. Let me go to recharge. So I need 102 coin. Okay, so let me click on this. The easiest option here is to go for 30 coin and then add to get to 102. Let's see. So I can add to make it up to 120, that's up to 3. So this 120 coin for 2,800. Okay, I think that's fair. So I hit on recharge. It's now paying from my bank, okay, loading the money from my bank. So I've recharged. So here we'll turn now to start, okay? So I have enough coin to run this ad. So I just click on start. It's now paying for the ad from the coin that I've just bought, okay? Success. All right, so finally it shows our ad is delivering. If you read under here, it says order is running and generating conversions, okay? I don't know why it didn't show that our ad is in review, but that's all fine, okay? So that's how to run ad with up to 5 videos at the same cost. That's it right there for you. If you have any question on TikTok ad, drop it in the comments. To join our paid training on TikTok ad, use the link in my profile. See you in class.